Good morning, Mary. Sorry I'm late.
John, the meeting started 10 minutes ago. Mr. Davis is waiting.
I know. There was traffic. Is he angry?
A little, but we can still join. Come on.
Wait, do you have the presentation file?
Yes, it's on my laptop, but you need to apologize first.
You're right. Let's go. Inside the meeting room. Good morning, Mr. Davis. I'm very sorry I'm late.
John, this is an important meeting. Please sit down.
Thank you. It won't happen again.
Mr. Davis, we have the new project presentation ready.
Good. Let's see it. Mary prepared everything. The data is very clear.
Thank you, John. Here are the numbers for this month.
Excellent work. But, John, next time, arrive early. Yes, sir, I will.
We also have some new ideas for next week.
Great. Send me the report today. We will. Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Let's finish this meeting.